Yeah, it's going to be pretty quiet.
Okay, it's going to be quiet, so we need, please, so we need your names.
I'm Sneade. And I'm Erik Landskov.
And this is Boom Goes the Dynamite.
What, wait a minute, wait. Give us that name again?
Boom Goes the Dynamite.
Boom Goes the Dynamite. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Shh.
We're having a malfunction.
All right.
Space drum's being weird.
That was the best. All right.
Good go.
Now we're starting.
Okay, great. So let us see your notation and then a little.
We onomatopoeically, I think that's how you say it, made the score. So whatever you would say if you were gonna like out loud saying boots and cats and boots and cats. So the bass drums are going boots and cats, and we have womps and whoops. We just kind of like lined it up top to bottom, left to right. So it's like here's the first beat by player one, second beat by player two. Yeah. So it's kind of, we got a big whoosh as a build up, and it says put 'em up. That was the sample.
Okay, show us that again. You're moving around too much for
Sorry.
me. Try to hold it still. There we go. And where's the part that you were just referring to?
Oh, put 'em up is right here. That's our sample on the drop.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. And so as I said, you'll hand that in and we'll scan it. But so again, we have another one where we have two people playing in this time, and were both computers involved, or just
one computer.
Just one computer, okay. And what were you controlling on the computer?
Here we're using FL Studio with the FPC plugin, which is a plugin that's sort of like a launchpad plugin, and you can assign keys to it and sounds and stuff. So.
All right. Good. Okay.